You are watching EAC News. Thanks for joining us. Could Jurassic Park actually happen? It's part of popular culture to dream about the day when dinosaurs are walking amongst us. The latest discovery in China could have science fiction enthusiasts think that day has finally come. One of the best preserved dinosaur embryos ever found has been announced in science journals. It is so well preserved, we can observe its posture very clearly, which allows us to compare it with other dinosaurs as well as modern birds.
All great science fiction must be science first and fiction second. Even more, it must tap into the reigning scientific paradigm of its era. For Mary Shelley's Frankenstein, the paradigm was electricity, the sizzling lightning bolts and arcing volts that were powering the nascent industrial revolution. For Godzilla, it was radioactivity and the bomb. For Jurassic Park, it is biotechnology. The manipulation of cells and genes has produced 3 cloned mice, pigs containing human DNA. According to the 1990 Michael Crichton novel that Jurassic Park is based on, biotech is headed toward using mosquitoes and blood-sucking flies to undo the dinosaurs' extinction. Perhaps life can find a way, though. A controversial paleontologist, who also just happens to be a scientific consultant to the Jurassic Park franchise, thinks that we might have an all DNA we need, in chickens. Scientists have managed to tweak poultry DNA to grow alligator-like teeth and a dinosaur-like snout instead of a beak. But that's more to it now. After a 72-million-year-old dinosaur embryo has been discovered inside a fossilized egg that scientists describe as one of the best preserved specimens of its kind ever found. The embryo, dubbed Baby Yingliang, was discovered in Guangdong in southern China. It belongs to a toothless theropod dinosaur, or Oviraptorosaur, and is 72 to 66 million years old. Scientists from the University of Birmingham in the UK and the China University of Geosciences in Beijing have observed the embryo in a tucking position, which was previously thought to be the pre-hatching behavior of birds. Fionn Wai-Sun Ma, a joint lead author of the study from Birmingham University, said this behavior has long been thought unique to birds, but now they see evidence in the fossil that even in non-bird dinosaurs, they might have the same type of pre-hatching behavior. The fossilized egg was discovered in late Cretaceous rock in 2000, but scientists have been examining it over the past 4 years when the embryo inside was found. The findings of the study were published on Tuesday.
After careful fossil preparation, basically we see the whole skeleton very clearly, although some body parts are still embedded inside the dinosaur egg. And we can see a very clean and well-preserved skull, which doesn't have any teeth. And this feature is actually it's very typical in Oviraptorosaur. And because of this feature, we assigned, and together with other anatomical features, we assigned this specimen to Oviraptorosaur. So in modern day birds, they have a unique behavior called tucking. So starting from day 17, they will curl their body up with its head in between its legs. And then on 18 day, 19 day, until day 20, they will start to move into a final tucking posture, that is putting their right wing on top of its head. And this posture was suggested to help the bird stabilize when they try to crack the eggshell using its beak. So, and this behavior has long been thought unique to birds, but now we see evidence in our fossil that even in non-bird dinosaurs, they might have the same type of pre-hatching behavior.